Okay, from races and tracks we don't have much sums. It is just a derivative of time and speed, just like boats and streams. So for that we have these sums only. So this one sum is from, two sums are from Arun Sharma. Okay, then this is CAT 2020 sum, this is CAT 2021. Yeah, and that's it. I mean there were no sums from 2022 and 23. Yeah, that's all we have for time and work. Okay, let's solve this first one. This one is very easy. Please do it. Please do this sum.
Six minutes 30 seconds.
Sir, option A.
And option A, right? Okay, let me do this sum. See, Ajay and Vijay start running simultaneously from the same point on a circular track in the same direction. Okay, so Ajay and Vijay start running simultaneously from the same point on a circular track in the same direction. If Ajay is running with a uniform speed of A km per hour and Vijay is running with B km per hour, they meet for the first time when Ajay is in the fourth round and Vijay is in the third round. So see, when Ajay has completed his 3 rounds and he starts running his fourth round, and Vijay has completed running 2 rounds and is in his third round, in both of these cases, okay, in both of these cases they have met each other, right? So let let Ajay and Vijay meet okay, from the start line. Okay. Now this Ajay's speed is A km per hour and Vijay's speed is B km per hour. And they have made for the first time when Ajay is in his fourth round. So what is the distance? And let the length of the circular track be L meter. Okay. So Ajay covered how much distance? 3L plus Y, right? Ajay is in his fourth round. So that means he has covered 3L plus Y. Vijay covered how much distance? Okay. So Vijay covered how much distance? Uh, 2L plus Y. Yes or no? Right? 2L plus Y. So Ajay covered 3L plus Y and Vijay covered 2L plus Y. Alright? This is fine. Now they have met each other after covering this and this distance. That means what? Meeting point means they have taken the same time to cover that distance. That is the meaning of meeting point. Right? That is the meaning of meeting point. They have taken the same time to meet at this after covering this distance. So that means what? 3L plus Y divided by A km per hour is equals to 2L plus Y divided by b kilometer per hour. Right? So 3L is A by B. This is what we have. And what is 3L plus W? 2L plus Y plus L. I can write down. Okay. This is what we have. Now the question is which of the following can be the values of A is to B? A, B or C or type 1, type 2, type 3, all these types are given. So what can be the values? You see, if Y is 0, which is the minimum value of Y, because L cannot be 0, right? L cannot be 0. L is the length of the track. L cannot be 0. Y can be 0. If Y is 0, then what is A by B? 1 plus half, that is 1.5. If Y is maximum, what can be the maximum value of Y? Is equals to the length of the track? Yes or no? Y is what? See, this is the circular track, right? And this is the starting point. So Arun has, made 3 rounds, and from here Arun is at this point. And this the other person, what is the name? Vijay. Oh, Ajay. The first one was Ajay. So Vijay has made 2 rounds, and say he is at this point, V, same point only. Okay, and this distance is how much? Y. So y is equals to 0, A by B is equals to 1 plus 1 by 2, which is 1.5. If y is equals to, what can be the maximum value of y? The length of the track, which is L. So A by B is equals to 1 plus L by 3L, that is 1 plus 1 by 3. 1.33, right? So this is the lowest value and this is the highest value, and that is the options. You see, all the options are correct. Yes, this is also correct, this is also correct, this is also correct. So C is the right answer. Do you understand this sum? Do you understand this sum? Hello?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Let's do the next one. Let's try this sum. It's a CAT 2020. Okay, in a car race, car A beats car B by 45 km. Car B beats car C by 50 km. Car A beats car C by 90 kilometers. The distance over which the race has been conducted is. Okay. So when car A travels d kilometers, okay, d kilometers, car B travels d minus 45 kilometers, right? So car B beats car C by 50 kilometers, right? Okay, so car B beats car C by 50 kilometers. So that means what? When car B travels d kilometers, car C travels okay, so when car B travels d kilometer, car C travels तुम्हारा d minus 950 kilometers, right? So this is what we have. So when car B travels d kilometers, car C has traveled d minus 50 kilometers. When car B travels 1 kilometers, car C travels d minus 50 by d kilometers. When car B travels d minus 45 kilometers, okay, car C travels d minus 50 by d into d minus 45 kilometers. Okay. Here have you understood? Unitary method. So when car B has traveled d minus 45, so car C has traveled this much kilometer. Now when car B has traveled this much distance, that means car A has traveled d kilometers. Therefore, when car A has traveled d kilometers, okay. So when car A has traveled d kilometer, car C travels this much kilometer, right? This is what we have. Now, so this d minus 50 into d minus 45 by d is equals to what? 90? Yes or no? Because that is what is given, that car A beats car C by 90 kilometers, right? So distance traveled by car A, so car A has traveled d kilometers and car C has traveled this. So the difference between the two is 90 kilometers. So now I need to find out which is the right answer. Go by option method. Okay, if you go by option method, if you put option number 475, okay, if you put yeah, the distance in kilometer over which the rails has been conducted. So this d I need to find out. Okay, so put the different values. If you put different values, I am directly telling the answer for time constraint. If you put different options, you will see that option number 3 will satisfy this. Okay, you will see option number 3 will satisfy this equation. Okay, so the answer is option 3. Did you understand this? Do you understand these sums, guys?
Yes, sir.
Let's do this last sum. You will copy this sum later. Okay, don't copy it now. This one should be easy. Okay, let me do this sum quickly. Okay, so Meera and Amal walk around along a circular track, starting from the same point at the same time. Okay, so Meera and Amal walk along a circular track. Okay, starting from the same point at the same time. If they walk in the same direction, if they walk in the same direction, then 45 minutes, Amal completes exactly 3 more rounds than Meera. If they walk in opposite directions, then they meet for the first time exactly after 3 minutes. The number of rounds Meera walks in 1 hour is. Okay, so let Meera complete X rounds. Amal complete X plus 3 rounds, right? right? Amal completes 3 more rounds, x plus 3 rounds. Okay. Now let the length of the track be L meters. L meters or kilometers? What is given? Okay, fine, L meters. So, okay. So, what is the distance covered? What is the distance covered by Mira? L into x in 45 minutes, right? So, what is the speed of Mira? What is the speed of Mira? It is distance divided by in seconds, right? Meter per second. Therefore, speed of Amal will be what? Speed of Amal is going to be what? L into this divided by 45 into 60, right? Because both of them cover the same distance in same time. I mean different distance but in same time. Okay, now if they walk in opposite directions, okay, so when they travel in the same direction, then this is the condition, right? If they walk in the same direction, then in 45 minutes Amal completes exactly 3 more rounds than Mira. So let Mira complete x rounds in 45 minutes, Amal completes x plus 3 rounds in 45 minutes. Okay, complete rounds. Let the length of the track be L meter. Okay, let the length of the track be L meter. Okay, let the length of the track be L meter. So distance covered by Mira is Lx meter in 45 minutes. Okay, so what is the speed of Mira? Speed of Mira is distance covered by Mira, that is Lx divided by time, which is 45 into 60 meter per second. What is the speed of Amal? So speed of Amal is L into, okay, x plus 3 divided by 45 into 60. This is the speed of Amal. Okay, now if they walk in the same direction, okay, if they walk in the same direction, then in 45 minutes Amal completes exactly 3 more rounds, so that is done. Now if they walk in opposite direction, then they meet for the first time exactly after 3 minutes. Okay, if they walk in opposite direction. Now do you remember those rules of circular tracks which I explained? That the first time, the time after which the two people meet together for the first time is what? LCM of sorry, not LCM, L divided by A plus B, right? The time after which they meet for the first time was L divided by A plus B. You remember that? Go through the lesson of the first class that we did, the previous class only. When two people are moving in circular tracks, then the time after which two people meet for the first time, okay, moving in a circular track, is L divided by A plus B. Okay, so it is given 3 minutes, so 3 into 60, So L divided by addition of these two speeds, right? Six. The number of rounds that Mira walks in 1 hour. Okay, so x equals to 6, and what is this 6? So three more rounds, but this is the case of 45 minutes, right? If they walk in the same direction, then in 45 minutes Amal completes exactly 3 more rounds than Mira. So Mira completed x rounds in 45 minutes. The question is how much time, how many rounds will she walk in 1 hour, right? So 6 rounds in 45 minutes. 45 minutes means yes, sure, 45 minutes. One round in 45 by no, the round should be on the other side. So in 45 minutes, 6 rounds. 6 by 45 rounds. In 60 minutes, 8 rounds. Yeah, 8 rounds. Did you understand this sum? I'm explaining it once again. So Beta and Amal walk along a circular track starting from the same point at the same time. If they walk in the same direction, then in 45 minutes, Amal completes exactly 3 more rounds. So let Mira complete x rounds in 45 minutes, Amal completed x plus 3 rounds in 45 minutes. Let the length of the track be L meters. So what is the distance covered by Mira? Lx meters. Okay, what is the distance covered by Mira? Lx meters in 45 minutes. Right? Did you understand this part? Please respond. Till here have you
Yes,
understood?
sir.
Yes. Now, what is the speed of Mira? The speed of Mira is distance covered by Mira divided by the time taken. What is the speed of Amal? The distance covered by Amal divided by the time taken. Okay. Now, it is given that they meet for the first time after 3 minutes. Now, if you open up, wait, let me see if I have those notations over here. No, I don't have it. Okay, I have it in time and speed. Wait, let me take it out. Yeah. No, I don't have it over here also. So that one I explained you in this paintbrush. So if you remember that when two people are rotating a circular track in the same direction, okay, A and B with speeds A and B, then the time when they meet for the first time, okay, the time in which they meet for the first time is what? Length of the circular track divided by A plus B. Okay, length of the circular track divided by A plus B. Why A plus B? Sorry. Yeah, why A plus B? Because they are moving in opposite direction. Hold on. It should be opposite direction. Okay, opposite direction. For same direction, it was L divided by a minus b. For opposite direction it was L divided by a plus b. For same direction it was L divided by a minus b, right? So this is what we have. So that is why 3 into 60 is the time after which they meet, okay, if they move in opposite directions, right? So 3 into 60 is equals to L divided by what is summation of the speeds. So 3 into 60 is equals to L divided by the summation of the speeds. Okay, so when you solve them, you're going to get x is 6. What is 6? So in 45 minutes, okay, 45 minutes, so what is x? 6 is this value, that is x rounds. In 45 minutes, okay, Mira moves 6 rounds. In 1 minute, Mira root 6 by 45. Therefore, in 60 minutes, because in 1 hour 6 by 45 into 60, that is going to give you 8 rounds.